Roy Accuff.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. We are so glad to have you visiting with us. Here's a number that we get a lot of requests for. The Great Speckled Bird. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded.
Stands fast. Oh, wait a minute. You didn't turn right. You got to keep back this way right here. You turn this way right here. Come back. Now let's do it again. Okay, circle up forward and right hand across and left.
Minnie, what should I sing tonight?
Oh, I'd love to hear you sing New River Train.
Minnie, you two younger girls, you remember that song.
I just love this part of the show.